What's up, y'all? It's Alvean here, and today we are doing something different. We did a last-minute trip out here to Austin, Texas. For once, the weather people did not lie. It was just gloomy and sprinkling and cold just about 20 minutes ago, and now the sun is out. Guys, look at Lindsay. She had no faith in me to tell her that the sun was coming out.
You know what? Don't do me.
Look, and look, you see? The sun is out. And she is layered up, ready for the winter. And now she's got to take off some layers.
Get out of here.
Get, I said! And Karina too. Look at Karina real quick, y'all. Look at her. She has a hoodie on, some pants. She was about to put a beanie on, some gloves, and everything. So we're here on Austin Lake. People have been telling me for a while to come out here. And this year I told myself I will be riding a bunch of different places from now on. Not the same old stuff. I'm gonna try new stuff this year. And you guys told me to check this lake out, and that's what we're checking out today. This lake is 20 miles from dam to dam, so 40 miles round trip. And there's 3 restaurants with docking. And from what I've been seeing on social media is this badass bridge. It's called a Pennybacker or 360 bridge. And I've been seeing a lot of great photos from there. So I've got to get me my own. Look, we've got the girls over here launching the skis. There you go. There, you're good. You're good. She's coming. It's a little slippery, and the water is chilly on my feet right now. How fast do y'all think we can run this whole lake? If you've ever been here, how fast have you ran this whole lake from dam to dam and back? That would be a good race right there. I don't even know if there's no wake zones here. Why did it feel like I just bumped something on the ground for some reason? Hey girls, I have a song for y'all. I got a song for y'all, hold on. Do you have a hair time?
Certified Grate, 7 days a week. Wet ass from the top, make it drop. That's a wet ass.
I gotta interrupt this ride real quick just to show you. Look how pretty. What is that for? Look, there's a lift right there. You see that? Oh, it's a chairlift. They don't gotta even walk it. They literally have a cart that brings them down from all the way up there. Now that's freaking awesome. And that's living right there.
Soon after.
We're back, guys. Back at the dock. We had a little mishap with somebody's hose popping off because they were messing with their ski. Forgot to put the clamp down, but we're about to roll back out. And I had a boo-boo. I forgot to put fuel in my ski. So I only had 36-mile range on there. And we're not gonna be going slow through this lake, so I had to make sure I have enough fuel. Just filled up. We're gonna be heading out. So it's a take 2. Let's see how far we can get from the ramp this time. And look, we got 2 more riders here. Mother, got me wet. I'm wet, guys. I'm soaking wet now. bridge that everybody's talking about? Is it? Let's see this bridge. Take a picture. This is the no wake zone. How kind of boring is this?
Moments later.
I thought we can go faster here, right under that bridge, like in Houston, but we can't. Hey! We're here at Pennybacker Bridge, also known aka 360 Bridge. Beautiful bridge. They have like lookout areas right there for the tourists to look down. What sucks when I'm saying this is that all of this is no wake zone. I'm not used to that. I'm used to it being like you can fly under the bridges and everything, these big tall bridges that is, and get these beautiful shots. But I get it, because they have the ramp right here. It tears up the whole docking area, and especially when people are trying to get in there. What else somebody told me about this lake is that on holidays, there is no PWCs, no jet skis allowed on the water. Well, what kind of, I guess because it's too fast. And this lake is only, like I said, 40 miles round trip. 20 miles that way, 20 miles this way. And I can only imagine from what I've been told is how packed this lake gets with wake surfers and everything. I don't think that they should be wake surfing. I mean, that becomes more dangerous with especially a lot of boats out on the water. So, other than that, the bridge is beautiful, but let's keep rolling. Oh, he's trying to stun on me. That's what it is. Slow down, hilarious. All I saw was, I was like, oh, I hope they slow down. All I saw was Karina. Karina can rodeo. She knows how to hold on to that board. Just pulled up to Hula Hut. What's that over there?
Ozarks.
Ozarks. Can you eat there too?
Yeah, we got that, coffee, cheese and stuff.
But they don't have boat docks or what?
Same one, you just walk over across.
Okay. So how many places are there over there?
3. There's Hula Hut, whatever this bar is right here, and then Ozarks.
Okay, nice. Look at that. You go bar hopping on the water, and you don't have to stop at so many docks. Hula Hut patrons only.
Few moments later.
We went in there and they're talking about an hour wait. We don't have that much time, guys. The sun will be going down because it was raining earlier. We didn't come out super early. If you're ever here on Lake Austin, I would recommend, even though I didn't get to try their food, but I heard it's pretty good, is come out to the Hula Hut. Then also, there's 2 other places that are really close by. Oh, look at that. And then there's 2 other places over here. Enough with this no wake zone. Let's hit this throttle. Look at these nice houses. Near the Pennybacker Bridge, they've got their own party cove over here. They said that it gets pretty packed over here during the spring or summertime. Today, as you can see, there's some boats out there, so that's pretty cool. that water hits you in the face?
Like this.
It's full here. Go, fool! And you're squirting all over me. He disappeared for a second! I said, where are we now? He's still here.
I feel like that wasn't a fair, it wasn't a fair race.
What race?
Between me and him.
Oh, y'all were racing?
Yeah, my ski, it wouldn't go, it would like stall almost.
Why?
I have to talk to him about it.
You
I feel like he cheated me.
Alright guys, guess who I have on my ski now? We're riding on the single seat right now. So Karina over there was getting nauseated. She was about to go back home and I said, no, you know what? She said, take me back to the dock. I said, let's just try it. You ride with me and I'll take care of you. But yeah, I'll show her. I'll show her it could be a good ride. We don't have to take it rough. Are you liking the ride so far?
So far.
So far. This guy was trying to sell his ski, and look at him. Months later, did you know why? Because you didn't get it when it was that COVID tax going on. You were trying to ride your ski. You should have sold it.
Too much love.
Alright guys, that is a wrap on this Lake Austin video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. That helps me out so much. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed because I have a little special surprise coming for you guys. All my subscribers, everybody that supported the channel, and to help celebrate the 10,000 subscribers that I've reached. And I might as well tell you the surprise, but I can't go into full detail. I'm gonna be picking 5 lucky subscribers, and these prizes are gonna be given by PWC Super Rack, Sure Can Fuel, Wet Jet Performance, Team Mancuso North, and the Alvean Azurin merch. So you want to make sure you're subscribed and hit that little button right next to it, because it'll let you know. If you think of any lakes or rivers or any waterways that you think I should ride, comment down below. And you never know, I may show up there and check it out. And until next time, see y'all on the water.